Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to add music from Epidemic Sound into CapCut. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, gotta log into your Epidemic Sound account. And once you're in here, you just gotta find the music or sound effects that you wanted to use to your CapCut video. For example, we have here sound effects. You just go ahead over to any of these filters, for example, blue. Click on the play button to preview it, and then if you like it, just hit on download and download. Once that's done, save it wherever you want. And then once done, go ahead and find the specific audio or SFX that you just downloaded and just drag and drop it. If not, you go ahead and click on import, find the audio, and click on open. Once done, go ahead and drag and drop it to your timeline and hit on play. Now, the other option is just by going to the website itself and go ahead and go to apps right here and click on Windows apps or macOS apps. If you're using Apple computer, well, go ahead and use this option. If you're using Windows computer, go ahead and use this option. Okay, click on it and just download it for Windows or Mac. And then once that's downloaded, install it. And once it's installed, the application will look like this. Okay, so all you'll do basically is just go ahead over to the top right, click on the 3 horizontal lines and just log in with your account. Okay, do keep that in mind before using Epidemic audios. Now, for example, we have here music. Okay, maybe I'm just going to download the suspense audio right here. For example, I like this one, so just go to click on download. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, you can minimize this one and go ahead over to File Explorer. And then just find Documents and then Epidemic Sound. Find the music. And here we have it. Drag and drop or import. Okay? That's basically it. That's how easy it is to add music from Epidemic Sound to CapCut. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.